Critical library mismatch involving the Bits Performance Module DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and I'll help you get your PC back to a stable state. To begin the walkthrough for Bits Performance Module, you can choose the manual path or use a resource designed for environment stability. This DLL file is the Background Intelligent Transfer Service, Bits Performance Monitoring Library. It collects and reports data regarding file transfer speeds and network usage for the Bits service to the performance monitor. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. This is a core Windows system file issue. Run the system file checker by opening Command Prompt as an administrator and entering sfc/scan now. Windows will scan your system and automatically repair missing or corrupted core files such as the Bits Performance Module DLL. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Bits Performance Module component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Manual intervention with the Bits Performance Module. DLL is dangerous because it can overwrite newer, secure versions of the file with older, vulnerable ones. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. Return to your workflow by reviewing the diagnostic information below related to the Bits Performance Module and system efficiency. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and the Bits Performance Module error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.